Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to actually capture is visible right now on your screen, and once that is the case, hold the power button and volume down at the same time, like so, and it gives you this pop-up right here with your screenshot captured, a scrollable option, edit. So we have scroll, edit, share, and delete. Now, after a moment, as you've seen, the screenshot does disappear, and once it does so, you can find it in your gallery application. And it will be visible under photos right here, as you can see. Or you should also be able to find it under albums and screenshots. So here are the two screenshots that I've captured on the video. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.